Gentlemen, have you ever found yourself smitten with a woman who seems out of reach? Have you ever wondered what it takes to make a woman fall for you? Today, we're going to discuss 5 ways to make a woman fall for you. Hey everyone, my name is Bella, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about how to make a woman fall for you. First and foremost, confidence is key. Women are attracted to men who are sure of themselves and their abilities. When you're confident, you exude an energy that's hard to resist. Women pick up on that energy, and it makes them feel safe and secure around you. Second, be a good listener. Women love men who listen to them and show genuine interest in what they have to say. When you listen to a woman, you show her that you respect her and value her opinions. You also give her the space to express herself fully. Third, show your sense of humor. Women love men who can make them laugh and smile. When you make a woman laugh, you create positive emotions and a sense of connection. Plus, it shows her that you're not taking yourself too seriously. Fourth, be thoughtful. Women love men who go out of their way to make them feel special. When you're thoughtful, you show a woman that you care about her and want to make her happy. It could be something as simple as remembering her favorite movie or surprising her with her favorite treat. Finally, be yourself. Women can spot a fake from a mile away, so it's important to be yourself. When you're yourself, you show a woman that you're confident in who you are, and you're not trying to be someone you're not. Plus, it's easier to build a genuine connection when you're being true to yourself. So there you have it, 5 ways to make a woman fall for you. Remember, confidence, good listening skills, a sense of humor, thoughtfulness, and authenticity are all key. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.